Hello friends, good morning. So this morning I will cook my own version lomi. So I have here pasta. This is for our lomi. And we have here shrimps and chicken. And then the spices. We have carrots, egg, and cornstarch. So this is our ingredients for our homemade lomi. So friends, so this is so yummy. You can try it to your house. So this is my own version, but so yummy. And we have also here Knorr cube. If you want to add Knorr cube and some spices or some seasoning, so you can add. And then now we will start to cook. So I will use butter. This is good for our lomi. It's add aroma and taste good.
The glory and honor unto you. Its gift shall not be.
And then
shut
I will add next is our
no night there.
garlic.
The glory and the honor and the nations unto me. But there shall by
Onion and garlic.
and you
Our ginger. Then we will add our chicken. Next, our shrimp. I didn't slice the shrimp. I add a whole shrimp because I want to decorate only. This is for the decoration, and also to add taste for our lomi. Next is our carrots. So I like carrots so much. So cover it. Then we will add water.
Surely I am with you.
So
The grace
maybe that is enough.
be with me. Usually like a tree
So this is Knorr
by
cube.
the rivers of water that brings forth
Let it
its
boil
fruit in its season,
first
or sleep,
before we add the
and whatever
pasta.
we on was
We will add a little bit salt. Close again.
their grain
So we
and
need
wine.
to add the
I will
pasta.
both lie down in
This is
peace
our
and
pasta.
sleep for you
And
alone.
also
O Lord,
the
make me
spring
dwell in
onions.
safety.
Okay.
Give ear to my words. O Lord, consider my meditation. Give heed to the voice.
We will add a pinch of brown pepper.
The bloodthirsty and your holy.
Then next is
Lead
our
me,
egg.
O Lord, in your righteousness, because of my enemies, make known we escape before my face.
Stir it.
For this is for no
Next is our
faithfulness in the
cabbage.
mouth, in word or in this open front. Declutter.
Next is our cornstarch. This is our cornstarch. So stir it. Wow, so yummy. This is a super delicious lomi. Okay, so I cannot. So yummy. This is a super delicious lomi. So I didn't add liver, the chicken liver, because I don't want to add liver of my lomi. So it's up to you if you will add liver. It's okay if you will add liver, the chicken liver or any kind of liver to your lomi. So cover it. These are so yummy lomi. So I'm so very excited. Okay, this is our lomi. This is our so yummy lomi. So I'm so very excited to eat this one. This is for our lunch. And super delicious.